Today I'm joined by Elisha Rangwani, and he's going to give us a little insight of his artwork and how he came about to be an artist.
Good afternoon, my name is Elisha Rangwani. I grew up in Shona, Shona, Central Zimbabwe. I am 40 years old now. I'm heading to 41 this coming July. Actually, as I'm starting to be a sculptor, not an artist as much, but I'm a stone sculptor. I'm just inherited from artists from the first generation to the second generation. As we are speaking, we are in the fourth generation scheme. Then back to my rural home, we are only lucky because my father's homestead is on top of the small mountain where the green opal was started mined long time ago with this white man called Tom Broomfield, the owner of Tengenenge Art Community. It's where we start to be stone sculptor by helping first generation artists by reducing the unwanted part. Is where we get the experience how to carve a stone.
And so you were saying you are in the fourth generation?
Yes, we are in the fourth generation because already first generation is I don't know exactly where it started, but we usually know the second generation and the third generation. So now we are in the fourth generation.
And how did you come to work with the Art Center?
As I started in out of Harare, we see people there, we are growing day by day. As we start mining, then later assisting others, then they pass also information. There is a place where we can sell and do some workshop to sell our stone sculptures. So it's just by telling, it's oral. It's only message come through those people coming for the quarries to get their raw stones. So they tell us there's a place where artists gather together and producing their artworks and selling them together there. So that's how I start coming up here. I grew up in Shona Central, then I start carving stones there. Then I came in town later to join Shona Art Center as a stone sculptor.
And here in Zimbabwe, what is the significance or the importance of art?
The importance of art is supporting foreign currency, because most of the sculptures, we sell them abroad. We sell them in foreign currency. So this foreign currency, it also helps the Zimbabwe economy. At the same time, it's more like employment, because I cannot work the whole sculpture myself. I have an assistant that is, I'm going to pay him as well. So we are reducing the number of unemployment, as well we are supporting other families. As people, some of them, they are not yet stone sculptor, but they start by sending or reducing the unwanted part. We pay them. It's different than us. As we are started, we were not paid because we wanted to know. But now, because this is town, we pay them. Our assistants, we pay them.
Yeah. And what are some of the challenges that you're facing as an artist yourself?
Like now, political situation in Zimbabwe, it disturbs the whole system of art, from visual to all sorts of art is disturbed by the political challenges. These only challenges that we are facing for now, it's only political, not economy, not other things, because we managed to go to the quarries to bring some tons of the raw material here. But because of the politics, our main customers are the tourists. So they are not coming as we are thinking or as we are used to before 2000. Before 2000, we used to have more tourists coming in. But for now, the number is always going down every day.
And from your own perspective, how best can we try and boost the number of, let's not say people that would come and buy, but increase your market in such a political scenario at the moment? How best would you overcome this?
As I think, we have to group ourselves so that we can go out, market our country, market our products as well. Not to wait here for people to come. It's better for us to go where the customer is than to wait for the customer.
And in terms of education here in Zimbabwe, how do you think people are doing a good enough job in terms of educating people, locals about the art itself? How are the local people appreciating the art that we are making?
As I can see, from my own opinion, it's us who's supposed to show people and to tell people about art. But if we cannot keep on telling people, some of them, they might don't know what is up to art and what is art. Most of black people, they don't understand the stone because they have them. They know, they see people working on it, so they want fully explanation so that they understand and appreciate at the same time. Because the most important is to appreciate. So if they don't appreciate, they don't learn.
Right. And how can we do this now?
As I think, it's better to embrace with the schools so that we can teach the young boys, the young girls when we catch them young. It's better than to go to the adults. It's difficult because he wants to work for the family. So for us to go and tell him, come and learn how to make a sculpture, at the same time he wants to look for $1 to buy a loaf of bread. It's difficult. So it's better to embrace the school systems, and with this new curriculum, we introduce to the education system in Zimbabwe.
Right. The last question I want to ask you is, you hadn't yet told me how, like, the type of art you're really into.
I'm into reality.
Reality?
Yes. What I see. I work on what I see. Not like less abstract. Less abstract. It's more in creation. Yes, I'm saying, let's say it in creation, yes.
Right.
In connection with nature.
Right. Thank you so much, Mr. Rangwani, for the interview.
Welcome, welcome.